Work hard now so your life will be easier later. You have people partying 24/7. You have people playing video games 24/7, and they don't have any responsibility. You need to work hard now so that your life will be easier later. If you party all the time now, if you never work now, it's gonna stab you in the back. You're gonna be old and you're gonna be working the rest of your life. People say, you're young, you need to waste some time. You have time to waste. Brother, you have no time to waste. You have no time to waste. Because when you're young, you have the most energy. You have the most time in the world to do what you want to do. You're gonna be laying in your deathbed many years from now. You're gonna be 100 years old, and you're gonna be like, I regret this. I wish I did these things. Man, I wish I did this. I wish I became what I wanted to do. I wish I reached my goals and dreams in life, but I didn't. And then you die. So you need to work hard now. You have no time to waste. Because when you're old, you're not going to have the time. You're not going to have the energy. You're going to be stubborn. You're going to be a piece of driftwood. You're going to be a piece of you're going to be a piece of driftwood. You are going to be a piece of driftwood sinking away in the ocean, getting swayed by every wave. So put your work in now. And I'm not saying don't party at all. I'm not saying don't entertain yourself at all. I'm not saying don't eat your favorite dessert at all. What I'm saying is you need to take accountability and you need to reward yourself. What work have you done where you need to do this? People are partying all the time, but they didn't earn it. Now we really know how to party if we work hard and then party. If you work hard and then play video games, you need to have a reward. You need to have a reward system in your life. Because then you will cherish those moments. You will realize that you've done everything you need to do to reach that point. And so you could party. Then you could reward yourself. Then you could eat some junk food because you realize I've made it. I've done everything I need to do in life. So I'm working towards my goals and dreams. Most people never reach their goals and dreams in life. They think I got time to waste. I'll entertain myself. I'll do these things. But then they're never satisfied with themselves. They're never satisfied because they never build themselves up. They go from boyhood to manhood in a day. They wait too long. They drink all the time. They party. And then one day, they got real life. Real life hits them. You got to build yourself up. You need to build yourself up in life. So work hard now. So if you work hard now, they say enjoy your time while it lasts, because you're going to be working the rest of your life. But that doesn't have to be true, because if you grind now, if you build yourself up now, if you work towards your goals and dreams now, you could retire early. You could retire way earlier and not have to work, because if you believe in yourself, if you work smart, if you work hard, you could do these things. It's possible. They didn't believe, but it's possible. You could retire early. So I want you to know that you need to work hard now and reward yourself later. Work hard now and take the easy route later. Thank you for watching. I'm Chris from Deep Roots. I talk about how to elevate as a person, and I talk about how to grow closer to the one and only God. Thank you. Have a good one.